Good morning. We're back at it. We slept pretty good last night. The mosquitoes, though, are getting pretty bad. I don't know when that happened, but they just started getting bad, I guess, yesterday, really. It was all gnats. Now it's mosquitoes and gnats, so it's a fantastic mix. Apparently we'll be in some black flies pretty bad coming up. I think it's because we're earlier, but maybe we'll get lucky, but I doubt it. So, oh, we're still in like weird brown looking water. Ever since we hit New York, really, I guess, is when that started. And the water's still kind of brown unless you find it where it's coming right out of the ground. Sometimes it's better there, but not really. I mean, it's just been a lot of brown water. Hopefully we get out of that though. Not that it doesn't taste bad or anything most of the time. We'll just put a water flavor in it, but it's still kind of weird looking. It's just unappetizing to want to drink. So, oh, yeah, but we're just gonna get going this morning and see where we end up. And I forgot to say that at some point today, we're gonna get picked up by one of Jeff's friends' family, and they are kind enough to take us back to their house, take a shower, stay the night, hop back up on trail tomorrow. So we got to get there and do laundry. So we haven't done laundry in a while. It's needed. And so yeah, we're just trying to get to a parking lot that's down the trail a while. So yeah. Well, we got picked up off a trail yesterday, and we're staying with one of Jeff's friends, family members, and so we've just been not hiking for a while, eating good food, and so we're gonna hop back on trail tomorrow and hopefully get some good miles in and walk into New Hampshire sometime this week, here in a few days. And then Mama's coming this weekend, so we've got some good few days coming up worth of climbing, and then it's gonna get pretty bad in the whites. But as of right now, we're not hiking, but we are going to be in the morning. We're heading back up on the trail, and yeah, I don't know where we're gonna end up or anything, but we've had a nice few days in Vermont. It's really, really pretty, just country. It's a little bit more like being at home, just with the way the rolling hills are. So that's the update for right now. Yesterday was day 100, so we're on day 101 now. It's a long time to be in the woods, but that's all right. We'll be in Maine in a month, so we'll see what happens.